y'all, today's video is in collab with my friend Lynn. She has a YouTube channel. She has tons of cleaning videos that will give you tons of motivation. I hope that you will go check her out after my video. Y'all, this is my bathroom. This is real life, y'all. It is a mess. I have been neglecting it. Let me look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Yeah, it is embarrassing in here. But I'm going to clean, and I'm also going to do some organizing. I'm going to get in these cabinets here, and there's a ton of stuff I need to get rid of. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get all these rugs up so I can wash them too. And yeah, they don't match. Eventually, I'm going to get them all matching. I'm fixing to go through this, but there are a lot of products down here that I have had for years and years and years. And I'm like, I'm not going to use them, or there's things in there that are like, have that much in them or something. So that's what we're about to do now. This stuff, y'all, is old. I mean, old. Why do I have this stuff in here? I have no idea. And y'all, I have cleaner like this that has hardly anything in the bottom, and this, so I'm just going to be using a combination of these to clean out the bottom. So, and what I'm fixing to do is, I'm going to leave y'all that. I'm going to pull all this stuff out. I have a bunch of stuff under my sink that I need to put in here too. So, I'm going to do that too. So I'm just going to pull everything out of here. We're going to have it all in the middle of the floor, so that I can go through a lot of this stuff, because I tend to not want to let go of stuff even though I'm not using it, which is silly. And I want to eventually paint these cabinets, but it's not going to happen right now. But this is pretty scary. Stuff has been falling over in here, and I've just kind of let it fall. So anyways, now I'm going to start taking all of this stuff out. Okay, so now I'm going to clean this out. I've got stuff everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to decide what stuff I want to keep and what I want to put back under here. I want to put stuff in this cabinet over here that I don't use as often, because I just had entirely too much stuff under here, and I want to do away with so much. Okay, y'all, I have stuff everywhere, okay? And I've already got this bag full of stuff. I mean, y'all, let me tell you something funny. I bought this when my oldest was a baby. He had like cradle cap, and the doctor told me to buy this to put on his head. He's 14. So it has not been used since then. So it might be time to throw it away. Y'all, this brush I had, I don't even know if they made, oh yeah, it is Herbal Essence, sorry. But I've had this since I was probably a teenager. I don't even know why. Why did I keep it? Who knows? Yeah, I mean, I believe this baby oil was from when my kids were a baby. My youngest is 10. Like, I don't need it. I don't use it. It's just taking up space. So I'm going to go through all this, and then I will come back in just a minute. I got to show y'all some stuff. Let me see. What was I finding? Y'all remember New Kids on the Block? I still have New Kids on the Block. Girl, y'all. I got pregnancy test. I've got hair. I've got flowers from funerals. Do y'all remember wearing these kind of hair barrettes? Y'all, I'm telling you, these keys, I don't know, probably went to an old car I had. I keep everything. But in this trash can here, I'm finally throwing away stuff. I'm serious. There is so much stuff, I just don't even know. Y'all, when was Eckerd's even around? I remember that being around as a kid. What the heck? Yeah. I am serious. And my husband, I don't really know what I should do with all these. He used to stay in the hotels a lot when he worked. So I have all kinds of little shampoo, but I'll save them for travel. I am in the top cabinet. This middle cabinet is just towels and washcloths. I'm not going to do anything with those. But up here is where we keep medicines. These are like old towels and just random stuff. So I'm going to kind of go through this. And also I found some stuff here that I feel like should be up with the medicines and stuff. And I'm working on this down here. So I'm still working, but it's kind of funny now that I have less stuff under here. I'm like lost. I'm like, oh, what do I put where, you know? But anyways, I'm working on, I have like lotions, body sprays and things like that. And then I have like hair products. Up here is my skincare stuff along with mouthwash. I need a new hair dryer bad. And then I never use this little thing under here, but my daughter might. And my curling wand, makeup. So I'm still kind of working, but now I'm going to move over. I have these drawers, y'all. And there's just random stuff. So I'm going to kind of start looking through those.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
Husband's side is not too bad, so I am gonna kind of go through there, clean it out.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Okay, y'all. Now I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm cleaning around in here. And I've got stuff piled up over here. And yeah, so I'm gonna start cleaning, and when I'm done, I'm gonna show y'all everything. But let's get started.
Faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
When I'm cleaning in the bathroom, I like to use the Clorox cleaning wipes because, I don't know, I just like to use something to be able to throw it away.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
And right here at the end, I decided to spray this Comet like foaming bathroom cleaner into the bathtub, and I'm going to let it set, and then I'll come back in a little bit and clean that up.
Someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Y'all, right here, I lost some footage. I was cleaning the mirror in the light above this sink, and somehow I lost the footage, but you'll see in a minute when I do the other one. I always forget to clean these like bulb, like the globe covers and all that, and they get so dusty.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
You wanna let me go, nah, nah, now. Are
Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, nah.
I bought this picture here because I thought it was so cute. But then I felt like the wall was too empty. And I thought about moving it back or moving it down. But then I was like, nah. So I found this picture. And I thought it was cute. It says, "You are loved," Isaiah 41:10. And I'm trying to add a little more color, like some pinks and greens in here. And over here, let's see if I can get you over there to see. Since I have to have everything plugged in, I'll zoom you in if I can. I added some like pink and like lavender, like up there in the flowers. I added that little pink cupcake stand or something. Over here, the door's open in the way, but I just don't know if I want to keep those pictures there or get something different. Maybe move them to the other wall, put something there. I don't know. But anyways, I am going to try to put this picture up. I don't know. I'm not sure if I like it yet. I may have to leave it there a little bit and see. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think. And this is what I was talking about over here. I have this empty wall beside the toilet, and I had hung these up. The thing that bothers me is the color. It looks, I guess it's gray. And then this down here is black, but I don't trust myself to try to paint over it. So I don't know. And then I have this decoration here, and I want my husband, because it's such a big wall, he's gonna put me another one of these shelves underneath it so I can decorate it. Then over here, I just have this thing here and the sore spot in the room. I just don't have room for everything, so I have to have that in here. I needed a mop in here, but I'm being lazy because I'm tired. I don't feel like getting the mop bucket out, so I'm gonna use the Swiffer thingamajigger, and we're gonna clean these floors. Y'all, it's all clean. The only thing is I don't have the rugs in here yet. All of this is clean. This little thing here I got at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And I have like just random stuff in here. Rubber bands, just random stuff. And I need to get a different little container. Right now I'm using a coffee cup for all my makeup brushes. And me and my husband both have one of these I ordered off of Amazon. And then this is just a regular jar. I just spray painted it to match. Of course, I showed y'all those pictures. My ugly shoe rack, and just ignore the shower area. The bathtub, the shower is clean. It's just there's stuff hanging over there. Like I said, we're gonna end up getting another one of these put up underneath there one of these days. But yep, and over here. And now I'm gonna show y'all what I did down here. This little thing and that was underneath my cabinet on my side of the sink. But it was just like this stuff, I couldn't even really get to this because there was stuff in front of this one. And it's stuff I don't use very often. So I thought, why not just put it in here, and then I can actually open it up, you know, and get to stuff that's in there. This is like all of the nail polish stuff. My daughter uses it more than me. As you can tell, I never do my nails. A few little extra things that we don't use every day. Stuff like that. I have hair stuff and some lotions. And then I can't, there. And this is just random stuff. But there's that. And up here, oops, I'm banging around. All I did basically was dust and kind of straighten stuff up. Like I said, this is like medicines and things like that. Contacts, old towels. That bag was, and I got it with some Clinique products, and it's full of Ipsy bags, y'all. I have so many Ipsy bags. So, next, my husband's side of the sink is just like that. Nothing special. And my side now it was before just so much stuff. So now I actually have room. I can set my straightener and stuff down there. And like I said, I have the back section over here is like hair products. This is like lotions, body sprays, and perfumes. And then my face stuff, deodorant, mouthwash. And then this is just an extra lotion. So, yep. So anyways, y'all, I look a mess, but real life, y'all, I don't get dressed up to clean. But anyways, it's all done. Thank y'all so much for watching. And if y'all have any ideas to help me decorate this bathroom, let me know. Because, I don't know. Anyways, thank y'all so much. Be sure to like this video. Give me a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to go check out Lynn's channel. Her information is in the description box below.